3 ways to eliminate or at minimum put a major hurting on German cockroaches at your house. The first thing that you can do is eliminate water. Roaches need water. They thrive on water. As simple as this is, take a rag, a cloth, and just dry things up. It might be as simple as right here, they have a drip. You can fix that drip. Anything you can do to eliminate water will help eliminate or reduce the population of German cockroaches. Literally just wipe things up. If you spill it, any leaks in the house, fix them. Something as far as your pet water bowls, pick those things up at night. I know it's a big pain in the neck. Dry them off. That's going to help out quite a bit. Any water leaks, any pots sitting out, make sure those things are all dried up. Don't set all of your dishes, your wet dishes, let that dry them. Use a towel because that will help eliminate German cockroaches, or like I said, greatly reduce them. And the second thing that you can do is eliminate places for them to hide. We call it harborage. If you eliminate harborage, there's no place for them to stay, so it's going to really hurt them. Some of the places that you could use is, well, let me show you. Right here, you have some laminate that is kind of peeled away. Cockroaches will actually nest right in this area. So one of the ways to avoid that is just to glue that down and you'll be fine. So right here, you can see there is a rubberized caulking thing here on the countertop. But there's a gap right there. What I would recommend is getting that sealed even more. Oh, here's another good spot right here. Everybody's gonna have this type of caulking, but what you can do is just get some regular caulk, fill that crack. It eliminates places for them to hide. Definitely on the move to getting rid of all these roaches. Okay, so we have remove water, any moisture in the house. The more moisture is out of the house, the better. The second one is harborages, places for them to live. Get rid of all those places, caulk, seal it up, whatever it is. So the third way to eliminate or completely put a major hurting on German cockroaches is food. What is a little crumb to you is a major feast to the German cockroach, or any cockroach for that matter. So it is imperative for you to go ballistic in your mindset about getting rid of food. So any dog food that's laying around, any hair that's laying around, dog hair, your husband's hair, they could eat that thing. Fingernails, clippings, they could eat that. But, what about in the kitchen? I'm here in the kitchen of this house, actually an Airbnb that I'm at doing a treatment. But if, we eliminate all the grease that is up on the stove, any little crumbs that fall down, remove the refrigerator, or not remove, but pull the refrigerator out. And there's almost always all sorts of stuff underneath the refrigerator that those little fans in the refrigerator suck under there. So just go crazy about cleaning. And I'm not talking about just, once a day. It might be if you're dealing with roaches, you have to do it 2 or 3 times a day. Any little spill of food is a major feast, anything. So keep it clean. So let's go over it again. Remove water source, remove places for them to stay. And, we know these things, but food, eliminate all the food for them. And I'm telling you from many, many years of experience, if you do these things, it is going to possibly eliminate them, but definitely it's going to put a hurting on them. But, if you're here in Lexington, South Carolina, and you're just not able to get rid of the roaches on your own, give me a call. Lamp's Pest Solution. My name's Rick. I can't even speak, Rick Lamp, and I'm the owner operator, and I'd be glad to assist you in your pest control needs. Bye.